From Shah Rukh to Kajol, yes, we certainly have a rocking show tonight. And saying cheers to that is Anisha Baig, who is drinking to Kajol's health, quite literally.
Okay, on a hot Mumbai day such as this, there's nothing nicer than a cool drink. I'm getting to have one. I'd like to say, in this case, that Kajol invited me to have a drink with her, but in the interest of absolute honesty, I must say that I invited myself. Kajol, cheers.
Cheers.
So now, what exactly are we drinking?
We are drinking Yakult.
Yes.
It's a probiotic drink. And supposedly it has all the little good bacteria that you need for one day precisely.
Lots of little bacteria actually sounds, I mean, it can sound a bit scary, right? So why exactly am I drinking?
Well, I think everything has a good side and a bad side to it. So think about this as the good side to your body. I'm definitely into living healthy.
Yeah.
And I'm definitely into doing everything that's good for me. So I think this is one of those things. Yakult is one of those things that's really, really good for you. So have it every day.
I was told that this is, fermented milk. So I have to say I was a bit alarmed. I thought it was going to taste, pretty awful.
A little like wine.
Not actually.
Yeah, you can think of it actually, it looks like a peg as well, no? It's like, yeah, it's true actually. It's just one little peg that you're going to like sip on basically, yeah.
And so, again, how many people get to say they've had a shot with Kajol, right? So I'm having mine
And how many people get to say that they've actually had a healthy shot as well?
This is true.
It is something that is genuinely, it works on your digestion, it works on, I mean, if you have it over a period of time, silly small things like constipation and stuff like that. I know it's horrible to say this on an interview, but let me just mention it and get it over with. But I mean, silly small problems that we have, which we naturally try to cure with medicines, are simply problems of the stomach which get cured naturally, which can be done in a natural and healthy way.
All right, now Kajol, again, what's sort of very nice for me today particularly is to catch up with you after, well, far too long, I would say. I know that you would say it's all too soon. Just what's been happening, we know it's been a very, very exciting year for you. Everyone's wildly excited about, obviously, My Name is Khan.
Just been working, actually.
Yeah.
Just been working a lot, and we've had these long schedules in America. Yeah. So I've gotten to see quite a bit of the States, which I never have before. And we shot in a really beautiful little town, about an hour away from San Francisco, in the wine country, Sonoma. And it was just like, it was really like picture perfect. I mean, they had these vines and the flowers. I mean, their flowers grow to this size. I really don't know how they do it, but it's awesome. And we worked hard and we had a blast. That's about it.
But it's also a film that, deals with an issue that's so topical today, sort of, the perception of the moderate Muslim in the world today. Was that one of the things that drew you to this film?
I think what automatically just drew me to the film was the fact that it was so different from whatever Karan has done so far.
Yeah.
I think that was it. It was just so different. And I was like, Karan, are you sure you're going to be able to make this? And he's like, yeah, don't worry, we'll do it. I've got you now, I've got Shah Rukh now, we'll manage it somehow or the other. I'm like, yeah, okay, cool. So I think it's something that we're all right now just feeling our way through it, yeah.
First of all, thank you so much and cheers to a wonderful new product and a wonderful release for your film.
Thank you so much.
Please don't disappear for quite so long after this.
I'll try.
Tuba.com